Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of Magento. So we are working on the Magento latest version, that is Magento 2.4.4. Okay, so all my videos related to the Magento are latest. So all are on the latest version of Magento. So here we are going to learn about how to give a permission to delete an account to a customer. Okay, so this gonna we are going to do that. So we are going to give the customer a privilege that they can delete the customer, they can close their account, besides the admin going to decide. Okay, so let's have a look how we are going to create this extension. So please let's go to the extension. So we have a customer delete. Okay, so we have these modules we have to be created: registration.php, etc module.xml, front end module.xml. I need to open it. So module should be sequence should be Magento customer, right? After this front end, so we need to create a route to delete a customer. So we need to create a front end route. So we have created the customer delete, okay, from the front end, so that we can generate from the controller, and in controller we will write the our logic. So block, we have a customer, then we have delete.php. So it will just URL builder to pass the routes over here, okay. And rest we will go with the controller where logic is there. So we are going to go to the this one. So here we can see that get config delete customer title is there. So you can see that we have a delete customer title, so that's why it's delete.php. After that we have a remove.php. Okay, so here we have add the logic for execute that function. So this is basic function, like customer has been deleted, we can delete by id. Okay, if the customer is logged in, then is secure area, then we will check if it is not empty the customer id, then we will delete that and we will send him the message like customer has been deleted. Okay, and redirect to the customer login. If it is not logged in, then we will send him to the login state. Okay, after that we have to, for adding the navigation, what we have to do: in the view we have a front end, then we have a layout, then we have account xml, because all the datas come to the account here, all the things you can see that is all menus are coming to the account.xml. So open it and check it. So here we have added a one reference block to the customer account navigation. Okay, so sort order at the last we have added. Okay, it's just a link, html link. After that we have a customer delete index delete.xml, where we have calling the block template block. Okay, so here we can, in this section, after adding this we have to create this html file. So basically customer delete.html, so we have added this one with button. If I go to the front layout templates, now we have a customer delete.html, where we have a html file like this and a button. So on the behalf of the button, okay, you can see that we have a button and it is bind with the language. Also you can see when click on this button we have a jQuery model, so it will give you that, are you sure want to delete this customer? Okay, then when you perform the action, then modal is closed and open accordingly. So if we go delete, are you sure you want to delete that customer? So I want to, like, yes, it's deleted, and log into the and come to the login screen, right? If I go to the backend and check that the user is deleted or not, let's copy this is the user. Okay, so let's copy this and check, and let's go to the admin, localhost Magento 4.4 admin. Let me log in with it. Go to the customers, all customers, search for the keyword, search. You can see that count. I think we are on the super. I maybe let me check this one. I think super admin, I guess. Let me check this. I guess it should be super admin, I guess. Super admin, it is there. Let me check this because I have logged in with a super admin account. Super admin example. Your account was incorrect and disabled properly. That means the account is deleted properly. You can also take a look of that one also. I'm going to log in with this account and we will delete this. Let me log in with this one. Okay, sign in. Okay, then we have option for delete account. So I'm going to delete this account. Yes, done. So let's copy this account and search in the backend. Is it deleted or not? Go to that one. See, no record found. That means the data is deleted. Customer has deleted successfully from their account. Okay. So I think you understand what exactly we have done. Any issue, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit a like if you really like my video. And please try to write the code instead of like say please send me the code and something like this. Please try to see the video and understand the video what exactly the flow it is and try to write the code. Okay, any issue in that I am here to help you on that module. You can share with my module. I will correct it, I will send it, and you can enjoy it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.